closure of the masjid has presented us with a problem. Our main source of income has been removed from us. After spending decades building up the masjid, providing services for the community and guiding our youth, we do not want to see our masjid in a dire financial situation. Now, more than ever, we need your du'as and your financial support. Please consider signing up to a regular direct debit of £20 a month, or on every blessed Friday, please make an online donation to the masjid. If we come together and donate to support our masjid, we can ensure that we are still standing strong. The masjid have moved all activities online, giving reminders in these tough times, running online day programs for children who are now out of school. We have moved our madrasa online. Our welfare team is out there delivering food packs and supplies to the most vulnerable. We are still here for the community and we are still ready to serve. Although the masjid may be closed, let's ensure our hearts don't do the same.